guys, this is Priyanka, and if you're watching me for the very first time, I'm an interior designer, and here on this channel we talk all things related to home, organization, interiors, decor, DIYs. And if you happen to like the concept of this channel, then please do consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that bell icon. As winters are approaching, and in this weather, doing laundry is one of the very difficult tasks. Laundry routine also differs from family to family. It depends upon the number of members you have in your family. So here in this video, I'm going to share some awesome winter laundry hacks. So let's get started. Always organize all things related to laundry at one place and keep it near to the washing area in order to save your time and energy. For that, you can keep things like detergent powder, liquid, fabric softener, soap, everything in a basket and keep it on the top of your washing machine. Or you can get this kind of a stand which fits properly over the machine. Holds so many things at one place. And the makeover video of this laundry space is available. For that, you can check the I button and the link in the description box. Drying clothes in winter is all about your creativity. You can do as many washes or loads as your drying racks can handle. Make most of the sunny days. This may sound very obvious, but always check the weather, and if it's sunny, clean the heavy clothes like woolen pajamas, sweaters, pullovers, doormats, bed sheets, linens, etc. Because when weather takes a turn for the worse, wash the clothes which are less worn won't affect the entire office or work schedule. But always make sure to do one load per day. You should have good drying options, especially in winters, because it affects the entire routine of your laundry. Like, you can either go for such foldable stands. So it's always a good option to have such foldable stands which you can get in and let your clothes dry. This is also a great option, won't take much space. When you need open, hang your clothes and close it. These kind of foldable stands which fits properly on the balcony's railing is also a good option for drying your daily innerwears. This is also one of my favorite options for drying clothes. You can get it installed by a local carpenter, fits properly on the ceiling, and it's completely off the side. You can get good space in order to hang your clothes also. This can also be done through the local carpenter, but sometimes in some society this option is not available as it affects the overall front elevation of the society. When you have already prioritized your laundry, it's very much clear in your mind which clothes you need to clean first. So for that, always keep bins or basket for keeping clothes so that at the time of washing, no sorting is required.
So in order to save your time at the time of washing, always make sure to separate your whites, greys, colored. Separate your daily wears at one place, keep them in baskets so that you don't need to find them when you're washing your clothes. Just keep all your kitchen towels handy in one of the baskets. You just need to pick them and drop them in the washing machine. And in the same way, keep all your microfiber clothes handy in one of the baskets. And not to lose the pair of socks, you can always use these kind of mesh bags which is very easily available online. And for the link, you can always check the description box. It's a great way to protect your socks. Just drop this bag in the washing machine. And always separately keep the linens so that you know when you have to wash them.
Drying clothes in summer always leaves that fresh scented smell, which we often miss out in winters. The best way to bring outside freshness is to use scented laundry detergent or the fabric softener. So here I am using my own DIY fabric softener. It is very easy to make. You just need to take a bottle, fill it half with the water, and just add a cup of fabric softener. Cut these sponge wipes and put them in the box. Shake it well. Whenever you're doing your laundry, just take one sponge wipe or one piece of sponge wipe
and drop it in the washing machine.
For those those lazy and cozy days, you can always select the minimum wash time cycle. This option is available in all the automatic machines. You can try it from there. It saves electricity, time and energy. And for cleaning your daily wear, this minimum time cycle is more than perfect. So this is the one thing which I always do, because I'm living in NCR and winters is all about smog. So not to disturb your laundry routine, what you can do is you can always check the weather on your phone, and if it's going to be dry, load machine the night before and put it on the timer to be washed. So that when you get up, clothes will be washed and you can straight hang it on your dryer. Hang t-shirts or shirts by the hemline rather than shoulder. By doing so, this can avoid unusual bunching in shoulders and ensure shirts will dry fast. Foldable stands which you can get in and let your clothes dry. So this is all about today's video, and if you like these winter laundry hacks, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.